Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Mongo SH is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file error in Windows. The error occurs when you type Mongo SH in the command prompt in Windows and press enter. You are getting this error because you have not added MongoDB and Mongo SH installation file locations in the system variables. To do that, first of all close the command prompt and open File Explorer. Open the File Explorer. Go to local disk C, go to program files, then go to MongoDB folder. Now go to server folder and then go to the version number and then go to the folder named bin. Now click on the file path and right click on it and click on copy. Now search for environmental variables in the search bar, and now you can see there is an option named edit the system environmental variables. Click on it. In the system properties window, you can see that there is a button named environmental variables at the bottom. Click on it. Now you can see under system variables, double click on path and now click on the new button. Right click on the box and click on paste and press OK. Now you have to do the same for Mongo SH or MongoDB shell. Now go to the MongoDB folder. Since I have already installed the Mongo SH file in the MongoDB folder, I will open that. Go to your Mongo SH folder, open it. Open folder until you see the bin folder. So again, right click on the file path, right click on it and copy and paste in the environmental variables. I will show you once more. Under system variables, double click on the path, click on new, and in the box right click and click on paste. Make sure you have entered the path name with /bin at the end and press OK and press OK and press OK once more. Now I will show you the proof that this method is working. Open command prompt by searching on the Windows search bar and type Mongo SH once more. Now you can see that we are not getting any error. We are inside the MongoDB shell or Mongo SH. I will show you an example. I will type show DBS and you can see that MongoDB has listed my local databases. If this method worked for you, smash that like button and comment down that it worked for you. Facing any issues, comment down. I will try to solve them for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. It helps me stay motivated to upload more videos like this. That's it guys. Bye.